What is going on, everybody? Jack speaking. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video background banner in Shopify, similar to Louis Vuitton or Rhode Skin. Heads up, this video widget comes in two versions. I will walk you through the version 1 first, and then I'll show you some cool extra features in the version 2 at the end. Let me show you what it looks like and walk you through its customization options. Here, you can adjust video height for both mobile and desktop. You can set the video height specifically for mobile and also adjust the height for the desktop. You can add title, subtitle, button. You can also disable these because these are blogs. You can definitely change the content alignment, top left, center right. You can change title color, change title size, both for mobile and desktop. For the button, you can change the size, change the line height, also change the font family. To change the font family, you have to enable the custom font. Let's move on to the implementation. Don't worry, it's not scary at all. You just need to follow a few simple steps and we'll be ready to go. This is an independent section. You can add in both free and premium themes. For instance, I'm going to pick Focal, which is a premium theme. Head over to your Shopify dashboard, select your theme, for instance, Focal, edit code, search for sections, add new section. Make sure liquid is selected, and I'm going to name it video background banner. Head over to Shopify theme blog website. The link will be in the description. Copy the code. Make sure you click done. Hit on the done button. Remove everything here and just paste whatever you just copied. Let's save it. Yeah, it's that simple. Oh, you don't believe me? Let's add this section to our theme. Customize the theme. Click on the plus icon. Let's search for video banner. Yep, video background banner. Here we go. Let's add a video. You can add title. You can add button. You need to assign a link here so the button is visible. Yeah, that's it. If you want more customization options and flexibility, check out version 2, the link down below. I have created 2 demos, one inspired by Rhode Skin. How do you say it? Rhode. Anyway, she doesn't care. As you might notice, we have a lot of options here. Tons of options and flexibility. This is for mobile, and this is how it looks on desktop. This is the exact section Rhode Skin used. We have another demo, which is based on Louis Vuitton. There we go, where you might see a completely different layout for the mobile. It's getting stacked here. And not only for the entire section, we have more flexibility for the title, subtitle, and also for the button. And the cool part is, if you're using a premium theme, you can select theme and then just add your theme class. The button will be fetched from your theme. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. See you on the next one.